Hey guys, we're at VipeRzZ, and today I'm going to show you how you can find the fastest DNS server for you. So we're going to be using a program called Namebench. So to download Namebench, we're going to come to this link here. The link will be in the description, and then we're going to click the downloads option here on the side, and then I'm going to select the Windows option here. So now the Windows installer is downloaded. I'm now going to open it up, and then I'm going to click extract, and now the program is open. So now we have Namebench open. All we need to do now is just click the Start Benchmark button here. So I'm just going to click Start Benchmark. Right, so now the benchmark's finished. As you can see, for me, apparently the Ultra DNS is the fastest DNS server for me. So if you want to know how to change your DNS server, I'll leave a link in the description below. But guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you liked it, don't forget the like button. If you dislike it, hit the dislike button. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.